Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, February 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am okay, but I am very tired. I need a coffee.
Me too. It is a busy week. Do you want sugar?
Yes, please. 2 spoons of sugar. I need energy.
Here you go. So is the sales department busy?
Yes, very busy. I have 10 meetings today. Can you believe it?
Wow, 10 meetings is a lot. Good luck.
Thanks, I need it. But first, let's relax for 5 minutes.
I agree. A break is important. Did you read the news today?
Yes, I did. I always read the news on my phone.
Me too. What is happening in the world?
Well, I saw something interesting in the Wall Street Journal.
Oh, really? Which article?
It was published on February 10th, 2026. It is about money and nature.
Is it about the economy?
Yes. The headline is the global water market.
That sounds serious. What does it say?
It says that now big companies can buy and sell water on the stock market.
Wait, do you mean fresh water? Like the water we drink?
Yes, exactly. A new market opened in London this week.
That is strange. Water is for everyone. It is a basic right.
I know, but the article says water is scarce now, so the price is going up.
How much is the price rising?
The report says the price of industrial water is up by 15%.
15%? That is expensive. This will affect our company too.
Yes, we use water in the office. Maybe the coffee will be expensive soon.
That is not funny, David. It is a big problem for poor countries.
You are right. The article says countries are arguing about river rights.
I can imagine. Politics is always complicated. Is there any good news?
Well, I saw another story. It is about technology.
I like technology. What is it about?
It is from CNN. The date is February 11, 2026.
Okay, tell me more.
The headline is the robo-dog boom.
Robo-dog? You mean a robot dog?
Yes, a company released a new robot pet. It looks like a real dog.
That sounds interesting. But is it popular?
Very popular. The article says they sold 1 million units in 2 days.
1 million? That is incredible. Why do people like it?
Because it is easy. You do not need to feed it.
So, no food and no water?
Exactly. And you do not need to walk it in the rain.
I see. It is convenient for busy people like us.
Yes, and it does not make a mess on the carpet.
That is a good point. How much does it cost?
It is expensive. It costs $5,000.
$5,000? That is too much money for a toy?
It is not just a toy. It has AI. It learns your name.
It learns my name. That is a little scary.
I think it is cool. I want one for my apartment.
But David, a robot cannot love you like a real dog.
Maybe. But a robot does not bark at 3 in the morning.
That is true, but I prefer real animals. They have feelings.
The article says animal shelters are empty now. Everyone wants robots.
That makes me sad. Technology changes everything so fast.
It does. Speaking of changes, did you see the Boston Globe?
No, I did not. What happened in Boston?
This is a story about society and culture. It is from February 12, 2026.
Okay, what is the headline?
It is called the No Phone Zone Law.
The no phone zone? What does that mean?
It is a new law in Massachusetts. It starts next month.
A law? Is it mandatory?
Yes. It bans smartphones in all restaurants and public parks.
You cannot use your phone in a restaurant?
No, if you use it, you pay a fine.
How much is the fine?
The fine is $200. It is very strict.
Wow, why did they make this law?
The article says the government wants people to talk more.
To talk to each other, face to face?
Yes. They say we look at screens too much. We are antisocial.
I understand that. Sometimes I look at my phone for 4 hours a day.
Me too. But imagine eating lunch without your phone.
It sounds peaceful, actually. You can enjoy the food.
But Alex, I am a sales representative. I need my phone.
You can use your phone in the office, David. Just not at lunch.
But clients call me at lunch. This law is bad for business.
I think it is good for mental health. We need a break.
The article says restaurant owners are angry. They are protesting.
Why are they angry? People will stay longer and eat more.
No, they say customers will not come. People want to take photos of food.
Oh, right. Instagram and TikTok. I forgot about that.
Exactly. If you cannot post a photo, did you really eat the salad?
You are funny, David. But I think I like this law.
Really? You want to sit in a park with no music and no email?
Yes, just me, a sandwich, and the birds. It sounds nice.
You're very romantic, Alex. I prefer my Wi-Fi.
We are very different, but that is okay.
Yes. So, what do you think about the water market again?
I think it is dangerous. We need to be careful with resources.
And the robot dog?
I think it is impressive, but not for me. I like real cats.
And the phone ban?
I think it is a brave experiment. We will see what happens.
Well, 3 crazy news stories in 1 week. 2026 is a strange year.
Every year is strange, David. The world is always moving.
That is true. Hey, look at the time.
Oh no, it is 9:15 already?
Yes, my first meeting starts in 15 minutes.
And I have to check the project timeline.
Okay, finish your coffee, we need to go.
Yes, thanks for the chat, David. It was interesting.
I always enjoy our morning talks. It wakes me up.
Me too. Good luck with your 10 meetings.
Thank you. Good luck with your project. See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
See you later, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.